Are going to Horny Beach.
The horny one. Bye.
What? Touch ground. Got sequins and snacks. Got more snacks in there as well. I packed us up, made us sandwiches, made us cookies. We brought the soccer ball, the frisbee. Let me say hi. Lovey's gonna do the umbrella. This is our beautiful spot. Lovey is enjoying his sandwich. So yummy. This is mine. It's croissant. Croissant, cheese, and
Bomb. Croissant, cheese.
yummy.
Turkey.
So someone eats fast. My one bite.
Eating on a race. Slow down.
God damn, I think you won. Relax. We accidentally switched. I accidentally had his sandwich and he had mine. By the time we realized, this is what I got. I'm doing
This is
good.
my lunch.
Love these cookies. We got all the snacks. We got all the love. Oh. We left these. Oh, got that meat. Oh, you thought we didn't have that? Oh, got that too. You got. Ah! Got him. And toe times with the toe timers. Look at this. Oh, thank you. Oh.
No.
Oh my god. You look so far. So little. Oh! He said cold plunge. What would you rate it?
94.
Just the whole experience.
7.5.
Would you cold plunge again?
Yeah.
Okay.
I woke up. Oh my god, it's getting so sleepy.
I will go like this. Oh.
Oh.
Say hello.
Hello.
We're packing up and going home.
Going
End of the
home, guys.
beach day.
A good fun day. Get you.
He's washing and wiping. This thing doesn't. Get your washings, get your.